Good morning, everybody. I'm out here with me and Matt out in the water again. We're out in the Swan. I think we're just going to go out and have a flick and see what happens, I guess. Due to the demersal band's on now, so I think we're just going to try and find some bread and butter fish, hopefully some nice whiting and some squid. But it all depends on this dark and gloomy day too. Forecast saying one thing, but we'll see once we get outside the heads whether we go out a bit further or not. We're outside the heads now. It's a bit more lumpy than I thought it was going to be, as usual. But you're going to expect it on a westerly wind day, eh? So we'll go over here just a bit further out, try for some squid first up. And hopefully this water dies up a little bit more. But we'll see how the squidding goes, I guess. It's overcast, that should be good for him, eh? So we'll go from there. Right, we've got out the squidding grounds. I'll show you one of the jigs I'm using. Well, I'll go through all the jigs actually, that's what we'll do. Got this brand new white one, I'm going to give that a crack. What ones have you got, Packy? Run the blue one. Nice little pinky, rainbow colour one, and run this nice little fluoro one. What do you reckon, which one's going to catch a squid first?
I'm thinking this blue one.
Are you going to go the blue one? I'm going to go the white one. Alright, let's find out, eh? It's about 12 metres, I think. Just shy of 12, 10 metres, give or take. That one done. You know, I think this is more than 5 knots, I reckon. I think that's a 3.5 grammer anyway, I think it's a heavier one. Yeah, first drift, bit of a dud, 0. We're going to try another location and see how that goes. We're in deeper water at the moment. If they're not in the deep, we'll race inside over there and try the shallows. We'll go from there. Hopefully we'll get a squid in this drift. First squid. Probably let out about 100 metres of line, I reckon. It's only a matter of time. I was like thinking to myself, Jesus, are we going to get one at all? And Matt's throwing a little ball sinker on top of his just to get to the bottom. It's a bit hard work this morning. Give me about 5 minutes and I'll have all this hand line on the deck. You know, it's a bit of line. Yeah, no, she's out a fair chunk. Oh well, I'm just drifting so quick. Yeah, no, it's not putting up a fight. It might be a cuttlefish, I reckon. And I got my line as well. No, it's a squid. Nice little baby one. Not baby, but first squid for the day. Your boy. So it was the new pink one, Packy.
Did you say the bright colour was good?
Yeah. Oh, you're nice. Come on, let it all go. Not my hand. Let go. He's not going to let it out, is he? All right. So I need another 14, mate. We can go home. Only 14. Sweet. But yeah, just that's how much line's gone out just to get that one squid. The guy's probably going to take the piss out of me for that now, that's for sure. Yeah, on again on the pinky. I didn't even let all that line out. This is a donkey. Ooh, yeah, boy. I was letting the line out. I thought I better check it just in case the line's screaming out. Well, yeah, no, this feels like a good one, Peggy. I may have to get you to lift that rope up. I think we might have finally found him. Yeah, lift that rope up. Oh yeah, no, she's a nice one. Nice one. And the pinky strikes again. Yo! Oh, yeah, that's a monster. Yeah, boy. Look at that. Yeah, nice. Just bought that jig yesterday too. And that's a nice chew with that one. Yeah, boy. Oh, reckon I can do that again, eh? Yep, squid on again. Ah, I just lost that one. The green one just went off then. Might reel up some of this mess. I wonder if that was the big female that went out. Squid on the white one, finally. I think they're only just starting to fire up, I think. Hopefully. Oop. So much going on. Hey, well, we picked it up, dropped it, so it doesn't feel big like the other one. I don't think he's woken up yet either. Bouncing a little bit. There he is. It's a cuddly. That's right. That means we're close to the, I was too close to the bottom. Oi! See you, mate. So this drift's done pretty well so far. We've got like 3.
Yeah.
So we'll go a little bit more longer and we'll see how that turns out. What's the first for that white one then? Okay, come on. Where are the rest of them? Squid on, buddy. Another one. Packy's catching a lot of weed today. There's something about people coming on the boat lately, eh? Every time I've taken people out, they haven't been catching anything. You know what it is, because you're not using soft plastics, mate. Hey, nah, this one feels like another cuttlefish, I think. And the monstrosity of line's gone out again. It seems the only way it's working. Today, I might be catching yours, I think. Or if I haven't got it already, your line. And she's a ways out. Oh, it woke up a little bit. Oh, a little baby. Cuttlefish again. I'll let this one live for another day. As long as you don't squirt me in the face. Yeah, look at that. You reckon he's gonna squirt in your face? Yeah, nice. Alright, we're setting up for our 3rd drift. And still in the same area. And see if we can pull a few more out of this spot. If not, we'll go to shallower water. Matt's changed coloured jigs just to mix it up a bit, see what's going on there. He's gone to I think it's a brownie gola coloured one. We'll see how that one plans out. And yeah, I haven't changed any of mine, I'm staying with the same. And well, yeah, see what this drift brings up. Oh yeah? I'll just really in to check it. Got a little one there. Yeah, they're both going off. You want to go that one, Paggy? Got a double whammy on this one. Alright, you want to move up? Yep, sweet. That one feels alright, that one actually. That's the pink one again. The pink and white strike again. What the hell? Oh yeah, no, it's a little squid. Oh, that one's a nice one you got. A bit bigger than my one. Double hook up. Yeah, boy. nice. Yeah, it was a bit bigger, not much more. Well, no, about normal. Nice. 2 at once, it's good. Might have found the bloody, what do you call it? You want to throw them in? Good squid.
Good one.
That's a good one, alright. Yeah, no, it's a big squid. You gotta say thank you for Dan for letting him use his rod, eh? No, little good squid. Oh yeah, no, that's a horse. Yeah, that's a nice one. Brown one strikes again, eh?
Yeah.
Do you want me to get him for you or what? Or you got it under control? Huh? Pass with the rod? Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice one. It's a pearler.
Nice.
Another one for the collection. Yeah, just threw that out too.
Yeah, why are we going to do that from the start?
There you go. Yeah, nice. Another squid. I think it's a squid. Feels like a squid. And I think they're not fighting. I reckon might be another cuddly. Oh no, he's awake now. I don't know if this is the pink one or if it's a green one. I think it's the pink one. I know he's awake now. He's going to go right over that drift anchor. It's going to do my head in. Just wait, Peggy. He might go over it anyway. Got some weight. I think it's a cuddly A. We were just talking about that before, because usually by now we're getting them. Yeah, nah, it's the same story again, people. A lot of line out. Yeah, nah, another big cuddly. On the green this time, finally. Finally got one on the green. Oh! That. Yeah, that was a pearler. Cheeky little bugger. Oh! Yeah, nah, I hope you guys at home love that one, because I'm just wore that all over me. I'm all sacked now from that squid. I'm glad there was no ink in it. Jesus. And wind's picked up a little bit more. We're on our 4th drift. Just started the 4th one again. Same spot. And I think we might go in a bit shallower. And we'll go anchor up and burley up, see if we get some fish. Considering this wind's just picked up a bit more than what it was supposed to be. It wasn't supposed to pick up till later this afternoon. But yeah, we'll see how we roll. And squid on. It's a good one too, eh? It's got some weight. This winds is just not helping it at all today again. I tell you, I'm picking the great days to go fishing, eh? I think the trick today is we've been pulling it in, dropping it back down, and it's slowed down a fair bit, but I think there's another cuttlefish. I'm going to say it's a cuttlefish. But yet again, yeah, a little line out. So just bear with me, this will take a while. There he is, he's all the way out there. Oh no, it's a squid. Is it a squid? Yeah, no, it's a good squid. He's woken up finally. And no, good one. Pink one strikes again. And no, it's a nice one actually.
Very nice.
Yes. Another pearler. Well, that might be close to being the one for the day, I reckon, Peggy. There. Nice tube. Whoa! Yeah, I can't complain with that. Another one for the esky. Yeah, we're back again. It's been a while. We haven't caught a squid for a long time, so we went out a bit further. We're gonna try our hand at some whiting fishing, eh? Hopefully, maybe a couple of flatties. We'll see how the weather progresses throughout the day, but it hasn't got any better. But yeah, we'll got some seaweed patches around here and a lot of sand around as well, so we'll throw a couple of squid jigs out and the baits out at the same time and see how we go. Just to give you an update, that is eastern side of Rotto, and those of you who know what they are over there's windmills, and you got stragglers over there and Mewstone Rock. So we're about 6 miles from the North Mole. We've trekked it out a bit with this wind. Hopefully we'll get a couple of fish just to tie in the rest of the day. Squid on, boys. Got me a squid. Trying to catch whiting and flatties, and we get a wrasse and we get a squid. Good squid though, can't complain with that. Ooh, hey, settle down, buddy. Oh, did I get ya? Yeah, nice little squidward. Oh, I got inked all over me. Yep, squid on again, Paggy.
Really?
Yeah. No monster, but it'll do. Nice little one. 2 in a row, mate, look. Nice. Oh, just everywhere in this ski. Fish on. Probably a wrasse or a blowy, I reckon. Oh, harassment. Ow. Settle down, buddy. See you, mate. Ooh. Need to find some more sand holes. Fish on. I'm gonna say it's a blowy, I reckon. Oh no, it's coming up pretty quick. Herring. Bear. Looks like a herring. Yeah, it is herring. On the bottom. And that little sand hole. Not a small herring either though, it's pretty big. Yeah, no, good sized herring though. It's a good eating size herring. It's got no, hasn't got the green on the wings. So yeah, no, good sized herring. I reckon you just got harassed.
Another fucking blowy.
Another blowy. We got another one. What do we got? What do we got? A butterfish. Good bait. Good sign that we're in the area. Good old buttery. Squidward. Squid. It's always when you're doing something else. I'm getting bites on my rod as well. Fuck, it feels like a good squid. Oh, it is a good squid. Oh, he's only got one leg on him. Look at it. Yeah, nice. Not big, but he's big enough. Hey. Oh, right in the ball bag. Oh, that thing's getting pumped. Ow. Another squid. Oh, I copped it right in the snatch. Oh no, yeah, fish on. It's all happening now. Got some weight there. Well, I reckon it might be another wrasse. Yep, harassment. Whoa! Eh. Come on, man. Stop. Herring on a slicer? Oh yeah, boy. Are you gonna drop him? He's gonna drop in the boat? Oh, right at the boat. Hey, you gonna walk the plank or? Oh, on the slicer again. Was that about 15 gram or something? Or less? Hey. That's about 10-15 gram slicer, yeah.
10 gram.
10 gram. Yeah, nice. On the slicer again. Hey. They've got a nice blue on them, eh? Like the ones you get in the Coburn Sound and that, they're all like green on the top. Slicer strikes again, see if I can keep this one on the hook. Still there for now. Here it comes. Oh, I got him under the jaw. Only a little one, little fella. Good old bait collection. Finally one on bait. Yeah, under. Yeah, bigger one. Good size herring. You can golf those hooks too. The hook. Whoa, 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 settle down. Yeah, no, good size. Good size. Finally. Third time's a charm, eh? Oh, baby one. What you got there, mate? What you got there? Fuck, he's taken off. Ugh. You cheated a bit on that jig too, didn't you? Yep.
That can entice him.
I was getting by, I thought, oh no, I don't think it's going to be anything decent. Looks like you got something decent. What do you think it is?
I think it's black.
Black ass, I'm looking something a bit silver down there. How strong's lead you got?
50.
Alright. The net's too hard to get. It's a Sambo. Little Sambo. Nice little pup one. Oh, look at the big one there! Jeez! No, it's a big Sambo. Whoa! It's intense.
Fuck, he was huge.
Yeah, I might get the big rig, eh? This could be the last one for the day. What do you reckon? Harassment?
Yeah, little Sambo, I think.
Another little Sambo. My mummy's gonna follow him up. Oh, even worse. Good old scorpion, mate. Look at the head on that thing. I thought today's going to be the first day I don't catch one. Or see one. Not the one, huh? Alright, me and Matt are going to wrap this up today. It's started to blow up again worse. When we get back to my place, we'll get everything out and show what we've got for the day. Catch. We were trying to hang around a bit longer after we saw that big Sambo to try and entice him to take a bit of bait, but he didn't want to play the game. Instead of getting him, we got a scorpion fish instead. So yeah, we'll see he's back at mine. Yeah, we're back at home. Here's today's effort. 9 squid, couple herring, couple nice big horse there, especially this one here. That one's a good one for the day. And yeah, I'll pick him up so you guys can have a look. Yeah, that's probably the biggest one for the day today. But yeah, came in quite nice. There's that one, and then yeah, that's probably the next biggest. Whoa, slippery. But yeah, it wasn't too bad of a day considering the conditions and everything else, but we've got a feed and that's all that matters. Even these herring were still quite big as well. I actually thought at first they were juvenile salmon, but yeah, no, they're not. But yeah, till next week. Yeah, we'll catch you around next week and we'll see what brings next week's efforts. Till then, see ya.